So flaxseed, okay? So I will add a bit of fenugreek seed. It's living in condition that I'm making today, okay? So I blend it. That's why you are seeing it like that. I will leave it to cook down, to cook for like one or 2 minutes, okay? I am also going to be adding in my rosemary. So that's my rosemary. That's enough. I'll leave everything to cook. So guys, it's ready. So I need to turn off my gas. So this is it. I'll leave it to cool down before sieving it. I'm going to be melting this shea butter here. So I am going to be melting it with my microwave, okay? I've washed everything you are seeing here. I am going to be blending this ginger and the aloe vera together because ginger helps a lot for hair booster, and also in case if your hair is itchy you, so it's very good to add ginger to your product, okay? It helps to stop hair itchiness, okay? So that's why I am adding ginger to it. I've washed everything you are seeing here. I am going to be blending everything. I am done blending. I want to add 1 spoon of moringa powder. Alum. I'm going to be adding a spoon of alum. You can use a double boiling method, but I am going to use a low heat to dissolve it, okay? I'm going to be adding in this my melted shea butter. So this is how it looks like. Are you seeing it? So it's time to add in our oil. So I am going to be adding in lavender oil. So in case if you don't have this lavender oil, you are free to use a citric oil. It helps a lot in terms of itchiness and dandruff, okay? Help to take off your scalp, okay? I'm also going to be adding in castor oil. So this is normal castor oil. Jojoba oil is very good in terms of hair growth. So vitamin E oil or vitamin E oil. I'm going to be adding in vegetable glycerin or glycerin. We have to stir everything together. So guys, I want to put it in my freezer to cake a bit, okay? So this is how it's looking like right now. So guys, it's ready. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be applying it on my hair now. Stay tuned, guys. It's very cold there. So first I'm sleeping. Hey, just say it's treasure bed that you go and sleep. That's cool.
Because I just fell asleep.
Hmm.
I put in that good.
I carry you, maybe you get good heart, just like me.